Okay, there were bluegill here that sitting on ice overnight. We just thawed them in the water. And you can see them right here. Our strategy is we're gonna cut along the gill there, and then gut the fish. It's like slicing open the bottom and pulling out all the guts. And then you're just gonna eat it because these fish are too small to fillet. We go to Los Gatos Creek for quantity, and we go to Almaden Lake for quality because they have bigger bluegill. We can't eat them there because they have high mercury. We actually ended up catching 14 bluegill and 2 green sunfish. He caught a smaller green sunfish that had more green on it. It looked a lot cooler than my green sunfish. And he caught nothing, and my mom caught one bluegill. Yeah. I caught 11 bluegill. And I caught 10 bluegill and a green sunfish. Now, thawing the fish completely, running them directly underwater. We got 5 of them in there. That was our max because this is the little tiny bucket. There we go. It's a little bluegill. Yeah.
What is that? Film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a little fish right there.
So gooey.
Do you remember who caught that one?
No, not sure. It wasn't me.
Right now, he just started descaling the fish. Ugh, I don't know what to do it, but
I watched videos today, Lisa, how to do this.
yeah, I'm not.
Oh man. Ah, it's getting all over the place. Maybe we should do this outside.
Just cut the head off. It's kind of gross.
Then you go from the butthole and slice up that way. That. Then you go inside
Take out
and
the
take out the guts. Those are all the guts right there.
Ugh.
Ugh.
But
I see the
stomach.
Believe I'm doing this.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, we're gonna wash it after this, but.
Gross.
I can see the
See, but
spine.
then we coat this whole thing and we eat this whole thing.
Is it really scaled though?
Well, I'm gonna wash it out because a lot of
Oh, okay.
scales are. But look how smooth it is.
The bone
It'll
is
soften up, but then
inside.
you just kind of pick apart the meat on it. Look at that.
I see
So,
the bone.
that's my lunch. Here is the fish head. I'm gonna hold it by the lip. There we go. Looks like I got the brains in there. Maybe we could cut it open. See what's inside. Now we're gonna cut open the head of the bluegill.
There's actually good meat in there.
I bet. Oh yeah,
Oh, it's not good meat.
It's not rotten. It's not rotten.
nice white meat.
Wasn't Riley supposed to do that?
You can do the next one.
Okay.
Oh, you're hearing that crunching sound.
Riley.
Oh, that one's got yellow stuff coming out of it.
Yeah.
Apparently it was pooping. Or vomiting. Ugh, it's like,
Oh, look at that.
ugh,
Oh, gross.
look at that. Ugh. It's more yellow, not in the can.
Oh, that's pregnant or something. What is this? A liver?
Gross.
Hopefully it wasn't pregnant.
Well, the spawn's over now.
Yeah, can I have that?
That was in like mid-spring, it's summer now. What do you like doing, Owen?
Playing with its eye and trying to pop it. Not really trying to pop it though.
This is the full one. Yep, that's a full one.
Now he is going.
The best thing is to hold it like flat, and just kind of grind in like that.
Oh, okay.
Now Riley is going to be cutting this fish's head off.
I'll try to go up this way.
very thick.
It's alright, too late.
That's really gross.
There you go.
Now I have
Didn't
to
get
take
much
out the
meat.
guts.
Now you gotta cut.
Now let's see what's inside.
That. And then feel the scaled side.
Oh wow.
Right? It's like
very rough.
Scales are like armor almost. That,
Wow.
and then feel the back side.
Ooh,
Right?
I want to chop it off.
Two-Face.
Okay.
Okay, it's coming out of its mouth. Okay, I just picked up a head, chased my mom around with it, and then I just discovered that you're using wax worms as bait, and there's wax worms in their head. So apparently it's not in their stomach yet because we're kind of feeding them. That's really cool. The wax worm, apparently we had to cut the hook on this one, so I just pulled out the wax worm because the cameraman told me to, and then I pulled out the hook and the rest of the line.
It's really cool.
Now he's putting the fish in the breadcrumbs. It's crunchy pretzel shake and bake breadcrumbs. They look delicious. The bones will soften up in the air fryer. So I think it'll taste really good. Just finished air frying. Looks really good. Yeah, like I said, we have the pretzel breadcrumbs.
And I added some garlic salt to it too.
Oh, that must be good. Wow. Do you need some like barbecue sauce or something on it? Is it good how it is?
Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for
If you guys make this at home, which you probably will because otherwise why you'd be watching this video, you have to kind of pull off the meat from the bone.
nothing else matters.
That's what I think it's fine.
Never care for what they do. Never care for what they know. But I know. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never care for what they do. Never care for what they know. But I know. I never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way.